Hello everyone. Birds, beaks and claws. A worksheet coming up. Question 1. Birds have different types of beaks that help them do special jobs in order to survive. Choose the correct statement. A. A short thick beak helps a bird reach into tree bark and get insects. B. A long thin beak helps a bird tear flesh. C. A beak with holes to sift food from mud and water. D. A hooked beak helps a bird grind the grains. Question 2. Which of these is not the function of claws? A. Warming the body temperature. B. Climbing. C. Swimming. D. Perching. Question 3. Choose the correct option. Statement 1. Penguins have webbed feet. Statement 2. Jacana has long legs and wide spreading toes. A. Statement 1 is correct and 2 is wrong. B. Statement 2 is correct and 1 is wrong. C. Both are correct. D. Both are wrong. Question 4. Look at the statements and check if they are true or false and choose the correct option. 1. All birds have same beaks. 2. Beaks perform many functions. 3. Birds have teeth. 4. Beaks depend on the type of food it eats. Question 5. Study the bar graph and answer the following questions. A. Which bird has a lifespan of 80 years? B. Which bird has a lifespan more than eagle and less than parrot? Question 6. Watch the video. What is the bird doing? A. Wading. B. Pecking. C. Perching. D. Preening. It's answer time. 1. C. A beak with holes to sift food from mud and water. 2. A. Warming the body temperature. 3. C. Both are correct. 4. B. False, true, false, true. 5. A. Parrot. B. Owl. 6. You will write in the comment box. Thank you.